morning, guys. Welcome to yet another vlog. I'm about to make breakfast. I haven't eaten. It's about 9:30ish, I think. Not so sure. I'm putting this one to sleep. Oh, it's still a mess, obviously. My daughter didn't go to crèche because we're having like a flu in this house. Well, me and her, yeah, we're having a flu. I haven't slept. We woke up at around 6, 6. Was it 10 past 6? That's when we woke up. Okay, I'm making breakfast. Let me not ramble. I'm making breakfast. I'm having this. I'll show you. It's early in the morning, Sana. This is the first thing I'm gonna have. I'm gonna have Pedro. It smells breast portion. For the other one, but this is leg. Should I have leg or breast? Because I also don't mind Pedro's or Nando's breast. Maybe I'll have breast because it's a lot of meat. Yeah, I'm having this because my partner brought us food yesterday from work. Brought us a plate plus this, so we ate a plate last night, and then this I was like, let me leave it for tomorrow because I wasn't too hungry also, so I left it for today. So now I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna put it in the air fryer if it because and our microwave is very heavy and it's up there on top of the fridge because we don't have space here. Yeah, but I'm gonna warm it up in the air fryer and also have it with the my lighting, son. My light is giving nighttime. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna have it with this roll. The other roll I gave it to my daughter to eat. She likes plain bread, guys. Yo, I'm always indoors. Like, I am such an indoors person. Like, I'm always indoors. Also, outside needs money. Going outside needs money, and the email in this night. But it's fine. It's cool. Let me warm up my food, and then I'll eat. I've been lost alone, but I don't wanna be found. I'm stuck in my ways pulling me down. Sinking underwater, but I'm afraid to drown. Okay, I'm done for the amazing and I made myself some tea. And I came to bed. I'm gonna have my tea here. Yeah, let me enjoy my food. Enjoy my food while I watch some vlogs. I was watching Thandi Mzamo. Love her so much. She's very interesting. She's like a very nice personality. Like her. Recently discovered her, so I think it's either I'm gonna watch another one of her vlogs or any other vlog, and then I also need to catch up on this other fellow YouTuber that I know that I said I would catch up with. Her name, I can't pronounce it, so that's why I don't like saying it. I think it's Trader. I can't pronounce it, so I think I'm gonna write it on the screen. You can go check her out. She is a small YouTuber like myself, so I think, yeah, this is the time for me to actually catch up on her vlogs. Yeah. And then I think after this breakfast, I'll definitely take a nap. I need to sleep because it's chai. Like, when she wakes up, it's chai. I'm done sort of cleaning the house and just preparing. Oh, good morning, guys. I am waiting for my Takealot order. I ordered a headboard from Takealot. I did it. Wait, I haven't received a message today to say that my order is out for delivery like I usually get. I only got it yesterday to say it's gonna be delivered today. I was expecting it to be delivered on Monday, next week Monday, but seems like it was shipped earlier, so it says it's gonna arrive today. So I hope it does, because I'm already ready. Like I'm ready, I'm prepared. I've pulled my bed closer nyana to open some space at the back for the headboard, and they sing Chanel like I'm over there. So yeah, I'm basically done cleaning. Anyways, I'm hungry. I'm gonna make myself some food, and I'll probably see you guys when the order arrives, when the headboard arrives. That's when I'm gonna shoot, when it arrives. Right now I'm just gonna Okay, the food is here. The groceries are here, so I'll quickly unpack. I'm gonna clean it. God. Should I clean it? What am I doing? And this one is open. Mama, I'm gonna clean it, Kisha. My partner is gonna love me for this one. One thing about my daughter, guys, she doesn't like knickknacks. She doesn't like all these chips that are like similar to knickknacks. She doesn't like those hard chips. She doesn't like that shape as well. She doesn't like also mushroom, those like pops kind of chips that she doesn't like. Snacks, I mean. She likes all these types. Like she wants this type, like vegetables as well. This, I'm sure she'll eat this. She's gonna eat it. But that's why I don't bother. I don't waste my time and money on chips that I know she's not gonna eat. This snack should be for the whole month. Yeah. And these I can always restock on those ones. And there's that's it for my grocery haul. A lot is mixed up now, but yeah. Hi my magazine. It's not here. The time is now 4:30 and no delivery as yet. This is strange for me. Strange, son. The estimated delivery time is up between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. But now it's 4:30 p.m. Still nothing, no call, nothing at all. What if I feel it today? So I'm even all made up for it, for the delivery. They're ready. I even just did my face because Sana, the waiting too much. Not too much. Between us two, even Jenny had to, but me I believe too. Atakani na fake friends too, real ones what I come through. I only wanna that, any nigga show true love. I only need a that, cause if you die any girl, I only wanna that, any nigga show true love. I only need a that, cause if you die any cash, sikudai any cash, any nigga show true love. Sikudai any cash, any nigga show true love. Sikudai any cash, any nigga show true love. Ataka ni fake love, any nigga show true love. One love, one love, yeah. Oh na 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 na, yeah, crazy, yeah. Don't worry on the picture, oh yeah. Any nigga show true love. Editing the end out here. I just came here to say thank you so much for watching the vlog. Really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I will see you on the next one really soon. Stay blessed.